gigantic machines beyond imagination. But even they can get trapped by extreme terrain. The Cat 621B and the D8N bulldozer are trapped in a sea of thick mud. Their 300 horsepower diesel engines roar violently as the Cat 621B struggles to haul nearly 18 cubic meters of earth. Meanwhile, the D8N uses its massive steel track system to generate enough traction to pull the vehicle out of the dangerous deep swamp. Can you see the professionalism in the way these massive machines operate? The Liebherr R 9350, weighing nearly 300 tons with a bucket capacity of over 18 cubic meters, continuously scoops huge amounts of rock and soil before rapidly swinging its massive body to dump the load with precision into the heavy haul trucks waiting below. The roar of its high-powered engine echoes across the mining site as every movement of the gigantic boom works in perfect coordination, creating a powerful display of professional operation and raw industrial strength. It truly is a legendary machine used at almost every major mining site. As a gigantic and highly productive machine, it has become a top choice for many mining site supervisors and project managers. If you're impressed by this incredible machine, leave a comment with one below. The Cat D8 is crushing massive layers of rock and soil across a construction site spanning thousands of square meters. Its 350 horsepower engine delivers raw power directly to the enormous steel track system weighing several tons. Clouds of dust rise heavily into the air as the engine's thunderous roar echoes across the work zone. Have you ever seen a machine like this before? This is a mobile excavator, and today its mission is to completely clear the canal and restore the water flow. Just look at the way it moves. Very few machines can perform with this level of flexibility and precision. Massive chunks of concrete come crashing down as this machine rapidly tears apart the entire building. Weighing over 94 tons, the machine uses a powerful 543 horsepower engine to control its gigantic hydraulic demolition arm. It relentlessly smashes through concrete walls and steel frameworks as the multi-story structure collapses piece by piece. Subscribe to the channel now to witness more gigantic machines battling extreme terrain that will completely blow your mind. The mission is complete, and the gigantic Caterpillar 385C is now being transported by a heavy haul truck to the next construction site. With a weight of nearly 85 tons and a bucket capacity of more than 4 cubic meters, the massive machine dominates the trailer. The convoy slowly moves along the dusty red road as thick steel chains tightly secure the enormous excavator amid the deep roar of diesel engines. Even gigantic machines face many difficulties when it comes to transportation. In this situation, the dump truck is being assisted by an excavator to help move it to another location safely. The convoy slowly makes its way across the dusty red road. This old machine should have been retired long ago. But instead, This guy pushed it into a brutal challenge against nature, sinking deep into the mud until it became completely trapped. Without another machine coming to rescue it, there's a good chance it could stay stuck there forever. The massive Max Bogle steel composite girder is being transported along the highway. I'm genuinely amazed by its enormous size. It almost takes up the entire lane by itself. The heavy haul tractor moves carefully and professionally to ensure the transport is carried out as safely as possible. One massive transport convoy follows another along the highway. Oversized cargo is being hauled by Erga Special Transports, whose powerful heavy-duty trucks are capable of pulling hundreds of tons of massive freight. The Caterpillar 992K roars through the massive quarry, powered by an engine producing over 1,700 horsepower and equipped with a bucket capacity of nearly 12 cubic meters. The 100-ton giant continuously loads huge amounts of rock and soil before lifting them with its powerful hydraulic system. It then dumps the material with precision into the bed of a Caterpillar 777 F-haul truck waiting beside it. Dust clouds cover the entire worksite as the enormous tires crush the ground beneath them. Oh no, this machine is incredibly risky. That's a Skidder LKT 120 carefully moving down a steep slope, and without the safety cable, it could easily roll uncontrollably down the mountain. That's why the operator secured a heavy safety line behind the machine in case the worst situation happens. Subscribe to the channel now to watch even more extreme excavator failures and brutal heavy machinery accidents.